Hey everybody, welcome back to Sport Bike Menace. So I got the new coil packs in. It is sitting kind of weird. I don't know if you can see how high up they are. Like, they should be more flush inside, but I keep pushing down on them and they ain't going further down. So I mean, like I said, I can't push them any further down. I put all my force into it and that's as far as they go. But I haven't turned her on yet. If there is a misfire, it's probably because they're not all the way in. But yeah, give me a little bit so I can turn on the bike. I don't know how I'm gonna have this force facing. I mean, it turned right on right away. I do got an F1 light on. That's because I don't got none of the stuff connected. Yeah, none of that stuff is connected. I got her mostly put back together. I put the back in, even though it's cracked up. But it's just to get her legal. My racing fairings, or my I don't know why I said racing fairings. My monster fairings are coming in, but they're going to take about a month to 2 months. Then Monday I'll get the foot pegs. Put those on. I got a lot of pieces that I still got to get. Well, I already got, but I'm not going to put them on yet because it's going to be a lot of work. So tomorrow I'll do the rest of the work that I have. I already start chopping down. I already start chopping that down so I can get a tool inside there. But yeah, she's coming along. And these coil packs are $670, so hopefully it makes a difference. And we got the new headlights that we got in. Will be in Monday. And I got a new piece of this to make it shorter, so the handlebar can go in further. But alright guys, subscribe to the channel, put a like, put a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.